Have you ever noticed how some people sneeze when they step in a bright light? It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and it affects about 18 to 35% of the population. Scientists believe it's a quirky mix-up in the brain. When bright light hits the eyes, it can trigger a sneeze because the optic nerve and the nerve responsible for sneezing are closely linked. So, when your eyes react to that dazzling sunlight, your body might just say, "Time to sneeze." It's a fascinating reminder of how interconnected our senses really are, turning a simple moment into a surprising reaction.